Hello everyone. My name is Vinod Salonke, working as assistant professor in Maharshi Parshuram College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss lecture number 2, Introduction of Optical Communication. So what are the basics of optical communication that we have to study? This subject is for semester 7. So first of all we have to see what is communication. If you are going for optical communication, you should know the basic of communication. Communication means communication is the process of exchanging information. If you are giving information to the anyone, then it is called as that is communication. Sending and receiving of messages from one place to the another is called as a communication. If you are sending a message through the WhatsApp or any other media, then it is called as a communication. The basic elements involved in the communications are information source, transmitter, communication channel, receiver. So information source, what are the information source available for you, that suppose if you are saying that information source is through any antenna, then it is that file is generated from that antenna, that is called as information source. Transmitter, that data is transmitted through any communication channel called as a transmitter. That communication channel will pass that information from one point to the another point, then it is called as a channel. Wireless channel, wired channel, any way of a channel. Receiver will receive that data from that communication channel and will give to the destination point. Next part, types of electronic communication. Simplex, first is simplex. This type of communication is one-way. Example are radio, TV broadcasting, and beeper, personal receiver. So this type of a communication is one way. There is a means if you are hear the news onto the radio, that is a one way. You can't tell that I don't. You can't discuss about that news and about on that radio. So radio is a one way communication. TV broadcasting you can watch on TV, but you can't communicate onto the TV with that other way also. Half duplex, the form of two-way communication in which only one party transmit at a time, is known as a half duplex. Examples are police, military, etc., radio transmission, citizen band, family radio, amateur radio. So in that half duplex you can see the walkie-talkie example. So at once only you can speak, that is called as a half duplex. So police they are using that walkie-talkie. In that half duplex is the way you can communicate, but other way also you can communicate, like it is not a simplex. Half duplex is a different. So at the same time only you can talk. Other way also they can, other receiver also they will also talk, but after some time when you complete that conversation. Full duplex, most electronic communication is two way and it is referred as a full duplex. When people can talk and listen simultaneously, it is called as a full duplex. The telephone is an example of this type of communication. So telephone now or mobiles are the examples of the full duplex. So these are the types of electronic communication. Next is types of communication. Analog communication, AM, FM, PM. So you know that different modulations, frequency modulation, phase modulations, angular modulations. Digital communication, ASK, FSK, PSK, QPSK, etc. These are the digital communication. You can learn these topics into the digital communication. You have learned these topics uh, in this digital communication subject. Microwave communication, communication through the radio, microwaves, and frequencies. So microwave communication, you are parallelly you are learning this subject, microwave communication. Optical communication, communication through the light. So that is the very important part for our subject, that is optical communication, the communication through the light. Means light is the medium we have to use for communication purpose. And what are the drawbacks of that, what is the benefits of that, where we can use in the applications, that we will study in brief. Basic block diagram of the communication system. Information or intelligence, audio, video, computer data, that is the source we require. Transmitter will transmit the data coming from the sources. Then communication channel or medium, free space, radio, wire or fiber optic cable, etc. These, now second, that green block is different, maybe different mediums we can use, like wire, fiber optic cable, etc. we can use. Communication channel or medium, receiver, that receiver you can use for any type of receiver. There will be a noise will be add into this middle channel, so that is the main one drawback we can say. General model of all communication system figure, noise degrades or interface with the transmitted information. So noise can be created and that added into the communication channel. Next slide. So basic concepts of communication, analog and digital signals. Analog signals. Analog signal is smoothly and continuous varying voltage or current. Examples are sine wave, voice, and video. So as you can say, sine wave is a very smooth, you can see in a figure. Voice is having some, you can see the different peaks into the notes. So you can see the limit, or you can change in a frequency. There will be a change. If I increase the volume, I decrease the volume, there will be a change in the frequency. That time the frequency will change. But in a sine wave, the continuous same frequency you can say. In the video also there will be a sync pulse, that syncing voice and videos. Then light variation along one scan line of video, and sync pulse, second sync pulse will come after same period. So like that analog signal will work. Next slide. Digital signal. Digital signal changes in steps or in discrete increments. Most digital signals use binary or two-state codes. Examples are telegraph, Morse code, that we were wished to learn for the that amateur video ham glove. Continuous wave code, then serial binary code used in a computer. So serial binary code is like 0101 form we are using in a computers. So that digital signal, so you can see in the that mark space on and off period. So that is the digital signal. So you know that dots and dash and dots, so this will be denoted by dots and dash. You can see the third figure, that is serial binary code, that is 0101.